In this video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com, and from in there, input right here the work email that you wish to use. So from in there, click on the try for free option in order to sign up. On my case, I already have an account, so let me proceed to the sign in option that you can see into this part. So let me just sign in. Now here is my actual dashboard. So in this case, if you want to actually auto-assign tasks, you need to navigate to the admin center of your Zendesk account. Now go to the objects right here that you can see options. Here is our admin center, so locate right here, and this will redirect you to the actual admin. Here is our admin center. Click on this objects and rules and expand that. From in there, you can find in here the tickets option. So make sure to click onto this right here, and you can find it all together into this part. You can also click onto the triggers right here. Now with this, you can actually add or create a new trigger that will actually give it an intuitive name. Click on this create trigger, name it right here. So for example, auto assign, and put right here the description and the trigger category. For example, let's choose notifications. Enter right here the condition that you want to get for this trigger. For example, if the requester is verified, then the operator will be the value of this one. You can also meet any following conditions. Then after that, add in here an action. And then for the category, choose right here the actual ticket. And choose right here the auto assign option or auto reply option. Choose right here assignee. And input right here the current user, or let's input this person. And click on the that right there. Click on this create trigger in order to make it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.